Flywheel maintains consistency of power transmission due to its high moment of inertia. Flywheel maintains consistency of power transmission due to its high moment of inertia. E is equals to I omega square Cs. Cs मतलब coefficient of fluctuation. A flywheel is fitted to the crankshaft of an engine having W amount of indicated work per revolution. Permissible limit of coefficient of fluctuation of energy and speed are Ce and Cs respectively. The kinetic energy of the flywheel is WCE by 2 Cs. Ce is fluctuation coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Ce is equals to fluctuation of energy by work done per cycle. तो यहाँ से काइनेटिक एनर्जी फॉर द फ्लाईव्हील इज इक्वल्स टू WCE बाई 2 CH. C कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्लक्चुएशन ऑफ एनर्जी और CS जो होगा कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्लक्चुएशन ऑफ स्पीड होगा. See, a torsional system with disk of momentum of inertia I1 and I2 are shown in the figure, which are gear driven. The ratio of speed of a shaft B to a shaft A is G. The equivalent moment of inertia of disk on shaft B at the speed of shaft A is equals to G square by I2. G square into I2. I dash B is equals to G square I2. The collapse speed of a rotating solid disk is given by omega into 1 by r root under 3 sigma y by rho. Sigma y is equals to yield stress और rho is equals to density और r is equal to radius of disk. इसका मतलब हुआ कि ओमेगा इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाई आर रूट अंडर 3 सिग्मा वाई बाई रो. Which of the following governor cannot be isochronous? Porter governor cannot be isochronous. A governor is said to be isochronous when the equilibrium speed is constant, that is, range speed is 0. For all radii of rotation of the ball within the working range, neglecting friction, the isochronism is the stage of infinite sensitivity. Let us consider the case Porter governor running at the speed n1 and n2 rpm. We assume that the friction force is 0, यानी कि F is equals to 0, यानी कि n1 square is equal to small m plus m by 2 into 1 plus q by m into 895 h1 by h1. n2 square is equals to itna. For the synchronous speed, the range should be 0, that is n2 minus n1 is equals to 0, or n2 minus n2 is equals to n1. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, h1 is equals to h2, which is possible in case of Porter governor. Hence, Porter governor is not a isochronous. The speed of the engine is seen to fluctuate continuously above and below the mean speed. The governor is said to be hunting. The speed of the engine is seen that fluctuate continuously above and below the mean speed. The governor is said to be hunting. A governor is said to be hunt if the speed of the engine fluctuate continuously above and below the mean speed. This is caused by a too sensitive governor which change the fuel supply by a large amount when a small change in the speed or rotation takes place. Function of a governor is to adjust the variation of speed by varying the input to the engine. Function of a governor is to adjust variation of speed by varying the input to the engine. The function of governor is to regulate the mean speed of engine when there is a variation in the load. The sensitiveness of the governor is equals to omega 1 minus omega 2 by omega. Sensitiveness of the governor is equals to range of speed by mean speed, यानी कि omega 1 minus omega 2 by omega. When the sleeve of a Porter governor move upward, the governor speed is increases. When the sleeve of a Porter governor moves upward, the governor speed is increases. If the sleeve of a Watt governor is loaded with the heavy mass, it becomes the Porter governor. Isochronism is a governor is desirable when only one speed is desired to kept at all loads. Isochronous governor. A governor is said to be isochronous when the equilibrium speed is constant at all radii of rotation of the balls within the working range, neglecting friction. The isochronism is a stage at the of infinite sensitivity. N1 square is equals to m plus m by 2 into 1 plus k by m into 895 by h1. Or m plus m by 2 into 1 plus k by 2 by m into 895 by h2. For isochronous speed, the range of speed should be 0. N1 minus N2 is equals to 0, or we can say that N1 is equals to N2. Therefore, the equation 1 and 2, H1 is equals to N2, which is impossible in the case of Porter governor. Hence, the Porter governor cannot be isochronous. If m is equal to mass of the ball of the governor, omega is equals to angular velocity of the governor, and g is equals to acceleration due to gravity. The height of the watt governor. तो वाट गवर्नर का हाइट कितना होता है? तो वाट गवर्नर का हाइट होता है h इज इक्वल्स टू g बाई ओमेगा स्क्वायर, और वी कैन से डेट h इज इक्वल्स टू 895 बाई n स्क्वायर. h इज इक्वल्स टू 895 बाई n स्क्वायर. Which one of the following does not require a flywheel? Gas turbine does not require a flywheel. Porter governor is a dead weight type governor. Sensitivity of an isochronous governor is infinity. Sensitivity of an isochronous governor is infinity. A spring controlled governor is found unstable. It may be made stable by decreasing the spring stiffness. A spring control governor is found unstable. It may be made stable by decreasing spring stiffness. If the Hartnell governor uses a spring of a greater stiffness, it will become less sensitive. If the Hartnell governor uses a spring of greater stiffness, it will become less sensitive. In case of a flywheel, maximum fluctuation in energy is difference of the maximum and minimum energy. In case of flywheel, maximum fluctuation energy is the difference of maximum and minimum energy. A flywheel of an IC engine is control the cyclic fluctuation of speed. If the speed of the engine varies between 319 to 410 rpm in a cycle of operation, the coefficient of fluctuation of speed will be 0.05. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्लक्चुएशन होता है n मैक्स माइनस n मीन बाई n मैक्स माइनस n मीन. हाँ, मतलब कि मिनिमम बाई n मीन. तो मीन निकालने के लिए n मैक्स प्लस n मीन बाई 2 कर लेंगे, तो यहाँ से आंसर आ जाएगा 0.05. In a governor, if the equilibrium speed is constant of all radii of rotation of ball, the governor is said to be isochronous governor. In a governor, if the equilibrium speed is constant at all radii of rotation of the ball, the governor is said to be isochronous governor. In a Hartnell governor, if the stiffness of a spring is increased, then the governor is more sensitive. The radius of gyration of a disc type of flywheel of diameter d is d by 2. What would be the vertical height of a watt governor when it rotates 60 rpm? तो n स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू होता है 895 बाई h. आप यहाँ पे पुट कर दीजिए, n दिया हुआ है तो 60 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 3600, तो h आ जाएगा 0.24 मीटर. थैंक यू.